Hey guys, it's Richard from diabolotutorials.com. In this tutorial, Jannis and I will show you the basics of how to do whip catches, and we'll also run through some interesting whip variations. To do a whip catch, all you need to know is how to speed up a Diabolo and throw it with a little bit of control. So this tutorial is really for all levels. Let's have a look at how whip catches work. The first step is throwing the Diabolo up and off the string, usually to the left or right of your body. After you throw it, the Diabolo needs to be in a straight line with your hands. This will make it much easier to catch. Grab both sticks in either your left or right hand. Then, catch the Diabolo in a whipping motion, wrapping either the left or right string around the axle. You can wrap the string around the top or bottom of the Diabolo's axle. It really doesn't matter. Both are just different ways to whip. You can see from this image that the sticks are crossed. Doing this will mean that the left and right strings will be far enough apart to whip the Diabolo's axle separately. If the sticks are too close together, it'll be harder to catch the Diabolo cleanly on one string. Catch the Diabolo by swinging your hand in an arc, either over the top of the Diabolo or under it. Make sure the movement of your hand is in the correct plane and it's perpendicular to the Diabolo's axle. When you catch the Diabolo, you can wrap its axle with a left or right string. It can be helpful if you try to catch with both the left and right strings. Depending on the type of trick and exit you're trying to do, you might want to use one or the other side. Practice this movement by holding a Diabolo in one of your hands and whipping with the other. Notice which position the Diabolo needs to be in, so it's easy to catch.
How infinite the distance, the eye within to the firmament.
Throw the Diabolo up over your left shoulder. Don't throw too high, just high enough to give you time to place both of your sticks in one of your hands. Higher throws make it harder to catch the Diabolo, because you need more accuracy with your throw. Also, the Diabolo will be falling down faster and you'll need more skill to catch it. As the Diabolo falls to about head height, swing your hand in an arc over the top of the Diabolo. Catch the Diabolo with either the left or right string. Remember that you can exit this trick differently depending on which string you catch it with. Here's a variation you might find it easy to start with. Position both sticks in one of your hands, then grab the string with your other. Throw the Diabolo and catch it again on both strings. Then throw it again and try the whip catch. Catch the Diabolo on the left string. Allow the downward force of it to swing it in a sun. Let go of the left stick when the Diabolo is at 9 o'clock. After releasing, drop your right hand slightly to control the Diabolo and left stick. This trick uses the same concepts as the overhand whip. Throw the Diabolo up. Put both sticks into one of your hands. However, instead of whipping down, you whip up, just as the Diabolo falls to your waist height. Again, you can catch it with the left or right string. As soon as you whip the Diabolo, you can swing your right hand down and right. This will absorb the downward force of the Diabolo. catch the Diabolo on the right string. Move your right hand in a small circle to allow the Diabolo to swing around in the sun. After the Diabolo passes 9 o'clock, grab what was the right stick with your left hand. Do a stopover on the right, then magic knot exit on the left. If you don't know how to do a magic knot exit, I've put a link for another tutorial in the description for this video. Whipping the Diabolo behind your back is very similar to whipping it on the front side. Throw the Diabolo up to your right. Lift your right elbow up and quickly whip it. Remember that this trick relies on your wrist being flexible and whipping quickly. Throw the Diabolo up to the right. Point your wrist towards it and whip upwards. This is a nice variation. See how Jannis flicks his wrists so the string whips out to meet the Diabolo just at the right time. Throw the Diabolo up to your right. As it's coming down, move your left hand under your right hand. Make sure the timing is perfect so you whip the Diabolo just as it falls near your arms. Throw the Diabolo up to the right or left. Lift your hands up to your shoulders so that the string is hanging over your back. Good luck, guys. Let me know if you have any questions, and of course, as always, keep practicing.